So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use Google textFX. Google textFX is an AI writing tool that helps you generate ideas, expand text, reword sentences, and explore creative language using simple prompts. You need to open your browser and go to Google textFX on Google Apps. Sign in with your Google account if required. And once inside, you'll see different writing tools like expand, rewrite, simile, metaphor, analogy, or list builder. Pick the one you want depending on your goal. Now, type your idea or sentence, for example, a lonely city at night. Then click generate or press enter. textFX will instantly create multiple variations or expansions. You can rerun the prompt for new variations, edit your input to improve results, and even combine outputs for better creativity. Once satisfied, copy the generated text and use it for scripts, captions, stories, or ideas. textFX works best when you use short, clear prompts. The simpler your input, the more creative and surprising the output usually is. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.